kumpare. Anak ni kumpare ni Mare. Diyos ko po. Say, good job! Job! He is clapping his hands. Good job. Yeah. Can you do that like that? Like that? Yeah. Can you do like that? The ABCD. You teach them the ABCD. A. It's apple. Okay, again, do it again. You show B. It's a ball. C. A cat. D. Dog. Yay. Next. Elephant. Then again. Fish. Sad. What's that? Huh? What's that? Giraffe. May estudyante pa rin ako dito, Crispy. What's that? House. Ice cream. Ice cream. Jewelry. Koala. Pear. Orange. Saan kayo? Andito sa ano? Dito sa shop. Dito kami sa aming munting negosyo. Nest. Para kumita ng maliit na pera. Monkey. Lion. Ipamigay na tinda ng mawas. Kung pwede lang sana, baka ako na yung asawa ko. Quail. Rabbit. Baka ako na yung susunod na ipamigay. Sun. Turtle. Umbrella. Violin. Whale. Set. Telephone. Ibigay ka na sa akin. Tatanggapin mo pa ba ako, Crispy? Yo-yo. Zebra. May tatanggap pa kaya sa akin, Crispy? Zebra. Kay Superman, Batman. Kay Superman, oh, we're in. You know that? Basta hindi matulpo. Naman sana umabot ng ganon. Grabe naman yun, yung tulpo. Galit ka? Eh? Oh, are you angry? What's that? Ang ganda mong yan, maraming tap na. Ewan ko lang kung mag-ano, kung saan nahantong. Hindi pa rin kayo okay ng asawa mo. Naman kami. Okay naman. Okay lang kami. Okay lang naman kami. Where's Daddy, Kai? Where's Daddy? Huh? In there? Oh, where's the motorcycle? Oo. Okay lang naman. Bakit naman? Ba't mo natanong? Where's Daddy? Come here. Oh, you tell Crispy where's Daddy. You tell Crispy where's Daddy. Daddy is? Huh? There in the? Daddy is there in? Where? Where is it? Huh? He is there in? Where? Okay. Ano na? Hindi maintindihan, baka sakaling pansinin.